Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Slack on MacBook for work. Pro tips step by step clearly. To begin using Slack on your MacBook, first, ensure you have the application installed. If you haven't done so, visit the Slack website to download and install the app. Once installed, launch Slack from your Applications folder or the dock. Upon opening Slack, sign in with your work email address and password. If your organization uses single sign-on, follow the provided prompts to log in. Once logged in, familiarize yourself with the workspace layout. The sidebar on the left displays your channels, direct messages, and apps. To join a channel, click on the Channels section in the sidebar. Browse the list of public channels or use the search bar to find a specific one. Click on a channel name to view its messages and join the conversation. To send a message, type your text in the message box at the bottom of the screen. Press Enter to send the message immediately. Use the formatting options to emphasize important parts of your message. To share files, click on the plus icon next to the message box and select Upload a file. You can also drag and drop files directly into the Slack window. If you need to initiate a direct message, click on Direct Messages in the sidebar. Type the name of the colleague you want to chat with to start the conversation. For organized collaboration, utilize threads by clicking on the Reply in Thread option. This keeps discussions focused and easy to follow. Check your notifications frequently to stay updated on important messages and mentions. Customize your notification settings for optimal productivity. To search for previous messages or files, use the search bar at the top of the Slack interface. You can filter results by channels, people, or dates for accuracy. For team video calls, use the call feature within a channel or direct message. Ensure your microphone and camera permissions are enabled for a smooth experience. Periodically review your channels and direct messages to stay engaged with your team. If you need to set statuses, click on your profile picture and select Update your status. This helps your colleagues know your availability for the day. Explore integrations with other tools your team uses to streamline your workflow. Lastly, keep Slack updated to access new features and improvements. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.